As everything is predestined, people who didn't know what awakening is all about, neither they wanted to be the part of higher spirituality or make themselves as an easy target or an odd one. All they wanted is to spread love among the people around them, have a small peaceful life, are now awakening without anyone's help or joining any kind of healing center. Their truth are being unfolding now. Namaste my beautiful souls, welcome to this channel. As prophecies are the certain highlights of the events which we are unaware of how many times earth has been created and destroyed, or how many times this pattern has been repeated. As spiritual awakening has been happened before to so many master souls from time to time. But the prophecy made for 2020 was about to awaken the 72,000 feminines and 72,000 masculine from different part of the world who were living their life are now suddenly being transformed, because 2020 was the energy of twin energies of the twin souls. And if you add 144,000, the end number will be 9, and 72,000 will also be 9. So 99 is also talks about the energies of the twin, and 9 also talks about the end number or the end of a certain cycle. And in Hinduism, 9 is also represented as the energies of the Divine Mother, and she is the key of spiritual awakening, getting yourself connect with your inner light, getting yourself connect with the divine powers and energies. And 9 is the number of universal love and oneness. It's the number of wisdom in our own life, and 9 is the number to end a certain chapter of your life. So the first seeds, or you can say the servant of light, were sent on earth to awaken them at the right moment so that they can begin the end of a certain chapter of the era. But before that, they themselves has to transform their human DNA to a divine DNA, and during the process of awakening they has to go through the physical and mental pain so that the cellular transformation of 144,000 cells can take in their own bodies. So if you think that you are hallucinating or some kind of illusion is happening or you are imagining something, trust me, I have wasted years and months in thinking that something is wrong inside me or I am getting mad. But there was some kind of positive energies around me which was telling me to be calm, to have patience, and trust the process. And I used to do this kind of mudra. Again, the Shakti Mudra, the energies of the Divine Mother. So when I used to do this, I get more powerful, and I feel more connected with the divine energies, and the fear somewhere started getting more lesser, and I started getting more connected with the divine energies of the Divine Mother. And this somewhere helps you in a transformation journey too. And what this end is all about, as we all know that we have 4 Yug: Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and Kali Yug. So everything has to go in a 360 way. 360 again comes up at 9. So whatever thing has started should always come to an end. And if we take the single era, it also takes 360 degree of everything. so the goodness and kindness, love and compassion was the highest in the first era, and the lowest of certain era is the highest of the second era. Same goes with Kali Yuga. If we take a Kali Yuga, so where we are at is the lowest of 1/4 of the Kali Yuga, and people are awakening at this point, because after that everything has to get destroyed and more darkened, and no humanity will be seen in, as things are going to be worse from now onward, and Kali Yuga will take a 360 turn, and this awakening will help the people to get more strength, to get more wisdom and get more power, so that this awakening might help them in the end of the Kali Yuga. As in Bhagavad Gita, it's said that whatever your mindset, whatever your skills and mindsets and your wisdom, or whatever things you have gained in one birth, and that end of those wisdom is the start of your next birth. So this awakening might help them in the end of this Kali Yuga era. And this 144,000 souls are the end of reminding back the true humanity, the true love and peace, because after them only those souls will carry forward those wisdom who have awakened the right goodness inside them during this certain period of time. Apart from humanity and protecting certain grids of the earth, these souls are the mirror of reflecting people that who you are from inside, as it's the closure time, and God of protector of judgment has to maintain the clarity and proof of hidden mask of the people inside them, as when the servant of light will come out and showing their inner self publicly, many dark energies will get magnified, and healers are also who triggers the negative and positive side of the people. And when the servants of light will start talking about this, the people with pure and sincere heart will naturally feel energized from inside, that if something can happen to this normal person, then yes, miracle does happen, divine power do exist, and I too should not lose hope and never stop being kind and loving, because that's who I am, and I too should take this legacy of humanity forward, no matter how much people does wrong with me, because that is the true humanity is all about. That is who I am from inside, and that is the teaching of the divine, that you have to be loving and helpful without having any kind of expectations from the people or from the divine. Whereas people with dark energies inside them will start feeling envious, or they'll plan to make you look down, or they'll play strategies or mind game to demotivate you, to demean you, or somewhere they'll wish bad to happen with you, and the mask of faking goodness will start showing out, giving the clarity of higher divine spiritual power to what to be done with those people. So to all the people who will always hold on their inner light of goodness and kindness inside them, who will always take care of each other in their own ways, selflessly helping the innocent souls soon or later will get closer to the divine light in their own divine timing, whereas the darker souls will keep on coming on earth with more darker powers in the end of the era, and that's how the end of the cycle will take place. So thanks for watching this video and giving your precious time. So if you have any queries regarding the love, life and awakening, please do let me know in the comment section, and namaste, keep healing.